Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me, what have you achieved from level 1 and 2?
Thanks for your asking. I have received very important ideas from level 1, such as skills, greetings, introducing myself, pre-conversation, departing, asking for information, saying hello, goodbye, yes, no, and showing interest. And I have also learned multiplication, contraction, presenting stress program, elliptical sentence, interviewing, addressing, role play, and finally talk show. From level 2 I have learned Viva, spoken grammar, describing home, telephone phrases, British and American English, and talk show. That's all.